Braised Beef, a Flavorful Journey. Hello, and welcome to our Kitchen of Words. Today, we're going to savor the meaning of braised beef. It's a phrase that might make your mouth water, but as we break it down, you'll find it's as easy to understand as it is delicious to enjoy. Braising is a cooking method that involves two key steps. First, you sear the beef at a high temperature until it's nicely browned. This creates a rich layer of flavor. Then, you cook it slowly in a covered pot with a little bit of liquid. This process makes the beef incredibly tender and infuses it with the flavors of the liquid and any added seasonings. Not all beef is equal when it comes to braising. Tougher cuts like chuck, brisket, or short ribs are transformed by braising. The long, slow cooking breaks down the tough fibers, making the meat fall apart tender. The liquid used in braising is where the artistry comes in. It could be broth, wine, or even beer. As the beef cooks, it absorbs these flavors, which enhances its natural taste and creates a delicious sauce that's perfect for drizzling over the meat or mashed potatoes. Braised beef isn't just a phrase you'll hear in English-speaking countries. This cooking method is beloved worldwide, with variations found in cuisines from Asia to Europe to the Americas. Each culture adds its unique spin, seasonings, and sides, making braised beef a truly international delight. That's the beauty of braised beef. It's a phrase that represents a world of flavors and a technique that turns simple ingredients into something extraordinary. We hope this video has helped you understand not just the words, but the delicious dish they describe. Happy cooking and happy learning!